One of the things that I like best about my computer is that it gives me the ability to easily store photographs and videos of some of the best moments of my family's life. Over the last 15 years, I have taken thousands, and I do mean thousands, of videos and photographs. And instead of cluttering up my closet or my attic with boxes filled with VHS tapes and photographs, I keep them all stored on my computer. The problem is all of these videos and photographs are scattered all over my computer. And in the last 15 years, I've had 4 computers. So what's the point of having all of these memories if I can't easily bring them up and enjoy them and share them with others? That's the day that I decided to make a family DVD, so that all of those precious memories would come to life. But that's also the day that one of my worst fears almost was realized. You see, my father passed away a couple of years ago, and when I was looking through the computer to find those pictures of our last Christmas together, I couldn't find them. It was a feeling that I never want to experience again. It felt like I was going to have a heart attack. And then I realized a couple of years ago, I was using a different computer. I was able to finally find those photographs, but the feeling that I had was horrible. I had not only lost my father, but I had also felt like I lost the pictures, and therefore I was letting him down. As luck would have it, I was on Facebook and I came across this advertisement for this new product called ThePhotoStick. And it promises that it would save all of my photographs and videos in one space. I'm going to plug this in right here. Now, the product promises that with one click, it will find all of my photographs and videos, download and save them. And then if I have more than one computer, it will find all of those photographs and videos and download and save them by computer. All right, I'm going to open this up. And the nice thing is I don't have to install any software or anything. Now the directions say I just have to click this go button. So there I go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how quickly it is finding all of these files. It has searched 1,109 folders. It has found over 2,200 photos and videos. It's even found my duplicates and those that I've already saved. It's amazing. Okay, now that we're done with this computer, I can pop out the product and use it on this one, and it will do the same thing that it did with this. And one of the great features of this product is that it will sort and organize the photos and videos. Now, with all of these photos and videos saved in one place, I can find that one special moment without having a heart attack and wondering, oh my gosh, did I delete that photo, or which computer is it on? Thousands of family videos and photos saved from disaster because of the PhotoStick.